to dance, sketching, nature hopping, ghost hunting, modeling, and is also a choreographer, loves to play mind games, and reading books. Once again, candidate number 1.
Wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Wala po bang hiyawan dyan? Maraming salamat po. Tonight is the gathering of all beauty icons, handsome icons inside and outside the metro, vying for one title, one crown, and leaving you all a question: who is the wittiest of them all? Di man po ako katangkaran, di man po kagwapuhan o kalaki ng katawan, ngunit hindi po hadlang upang iuwi ko ang corona. Dahil ang aking gagamitin ay ang aking talino at talentong ibabahagi sa Barangay 2. By the way, my name is Prince Miyuki Castellon Arcangel, all the way last from North Caloocan, na nag-iiwan po sa inyo ng katagang sa ganitong patimpalak. Hindi po basihan ang itsura at ang inyong pangangatawan upang manalo. Dahil sa ganitong patimpalak, ang unang basihan ay ang ating talino at talentong lagi nating ibinabahagi sa ating mga nanonood. Ngayong gabi, alam ko po, sa ganitong patimpalang kahit po ako ay number 1, may isa pong bagong teacher na tatatak. And I thank you. Ngayong gabi din po, nire-representa ko po ang isang modernong barong na pininta pa po ng ating bayani at ating artist na si Fernando Amorsolo. Dahil naniniwala po ako, bago mo tangkilikin ng iba, tangkilikin mo muna ang ating sariling lahi. Maraming salamat po.
Once again, candidate number 1. Number 2, Kevin Bien Castaño Kabuay. Kevin loves to read books, listening to music, cooking, basketball, and he also loves to travel.
Magandang gabi sa inyo, lahat Barangay 2! Ako nga pala si Kevin Bien, Kabuay, 24 years old, at natira sa Barangay 175, North Camaring, Caloocan City.
Candidate number 3, Zane Rico. Zane loves to play games, basketball, ML, COD, and any online games.
Magandang gabi, Barangay 2! Wala bang palakpakan dyan? Isa pa! Palakas na sigawan! Ako nga pala si Zane Bico, 20 years old. Taga North Caloocan City.
Give it up for candidate number 2.
Malaglag na.
Candidate number 4. Just Vallejo. Josh Vilahil loves to do charity works, loves to volunteer. He also teaches kids in the slum areas. Once again, candidate number 4.
Magandang gabi, Barangay Dos! Wala bang inuman dyan? Meron! Ako nga pala si Josh Vallejo, 24 anyos mula sa Caloocan City at naniniwala sa piyesta ng Tondo mo lang mararamdaman ang lasap na ang sarap ng alak. Well, actually, I do believe being born and raised in the slums area and also setting up with witnessing like informal setter like me, poverty is not really the reason why we cannot have a proper education. Magandang gabi, Barangay Dos!
Give it up for candidate number 4. Candidate number 5. Alba Argard Brain Joseph D. Archer loves to play basketball, loves motor rides, play games such as ML, and he is also a music lover.
Magandang gabi, Barangay Dos! Bomba na! My name is Argel Rain Joseph Diaz Zabala from Caloocan City. Salamat.
Give it up for candidate number 5.
Kahit saan ka man patungon, iniwanag ang pag-asa sa bawat sulong ng
Candidate number 6. Kevin Espanola. He loves to play volleyball, ML. His hobby is cooking, singing, dancing, and road trip.
Magandang gabi, Barangay Dos, Tondo, Manila! Happy Fiesta! My name is Kevin Espanola, 24 years old from Caloocan City.
Give it up for candidate number 6. Candidate number 7. Elman Everton.
inaalay ko sa iyo. Anumang pagsubok ang aking harapin, mananatiling
Elmer loves to play basketball. Elmer loves to play music. Give it up for candidate number 7.
Magandang gabi, Barangay Dos. Pwede ba tayo magingay dyan? Oo nga po pala, si Elmar Ibardone. I'm proud to be Barangay Dos.
Pasasalamat sa pamilya at mga kaibigan. Ako'y narito dahil lamang sa iyo.
Candidate number 8.
Nakatayo.
Candidate number 8. Riley Jairus Juarez. Riley has a deep love for activities that allows him to express and connect with nature. Dancing is another hobby that brings him immense joy. His interest in fashion design, enjoying experimenting with different styles and trends.
Ikaw ang hiraya kahit saan ka
Hindi po ako magsisimula kung wala pong palakpakan.